Welcome back. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about the types of videos that you're going to find on this YouTube channel. These videos are meant to enhance your knowledge of the home buying process and just your general knowledge of real estate transactions, just a broad knowledge base for you. And all of these videos are not in our free class that is called Homebuying Chaos Unwrapped, or our paid premier class, which actually takes you from A to Z for the home buying transaction process. Homebuyer Remorse is real, folks, and year over year it's over 50%. And as recently as November 2023, it was 92%. I'm on a mission and a crusade to get rid of Homebuyer Remorse. And I have this YouTube channel in order to educate you and help you along your way. Should you choose to join us in our free class, Homebuying Chaos Unwrapped, we will explain the 5 professions that are involved in your home buying journey. And then if you choose to purchase our premier class, for the First Time Home Buyer Workshop with Julie Marion, we will take you from A to Z on your home buying journey. Only the pertinent things about your home buying process is in that class. And everything else here is just in addition to and will help you with learning more about the industry. Thanks so much for joining, and I hope to see you soon. Bye now.